Hi, I am Marcus from Davidson's Shoe Repair. Today I will be working on a pair of Red Wings 9051s. Customer wants these soles replaced with black Vibram 430 mini lug soles. I will also replace the midsoles with leather, replace the heel rands with leather, and open them up and replace the cork and inspect the gemming, and if needed I will repair that. So let's get started. So I am just 5 minutes into this job and I have encountered a dilemma. Red Wings are usually quite in poor condition with the cork and the gemming when it's time to resole them. So I sold the customer on a full rebuild with new cork and a gemming reinforcement. But now I see that this cork is in pretty good shape, so I'm hesitant to if I'm going to do all this work. And you don't want to do any unnecessary work, and you want to keep the job as cheap as possible for the customer. But I think I will take everything apart and inspect it just to be sure, since I've already sold the customer on it. So I went with the original plan and removed all the cork and the shanks, and I am glad I did, because I found a place where the gemming was broken, and I see the seam has ripped the gemming in some places, so they will benefit from a gemming reinforcement. So I will do that before I start rebuilding them. I am really glad that I removed the cork so I could inspect the gemming, because this way I could spot the weaknesses and repair them and reinforce them with a new gemming reinforcement. So now it's time to reinsert the shanks and new cork. Okay, so these Red Wing Beckmans are now resold or restored or recrafted, whatever you call it. I have repaired the gemming and placed an extra gemming reinforcement on top of it. I reattached the ribbed metal shanks and put in new sheet cork and replaced the fiberboard heel ran with a new leather one instead. Then I resoled them with the Vibram 430 mini lug soles and a 2.5mm leather midsoles in between to increase the stability to match these work boots as the customer requested. To further add to this feeling, I stitched them 360 degrees all around the shoe instead of just 270 as they were originally. Lastly, I put in new padded calf leather heel socks and new original Red Wing laces, and gave them conditioning. So hopefully the customer will be happy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.